Thank you so much for watching this online video tutorial. Like, comment, and share, as well as subscribe to our channel at Good Better Best Online Videos for more video content. Alright, grade 12s, today we're going to have a look at question 9 of the Physical Sciences Paper 2, September 2019 exam. Question 9 says that the diagram below shows the apparatus to demonstrate the electrolysis of concentrated copper 2 chloride CuCl2 solution. Okay, and we have a platinum electrode, PT electrode A, as well as for B as well, and concentrated copper chloride. And now for 9.1, they ask what is the chemical conversion, or write down the chemical conversion which occurs in the cell above. And that conversion is electrical energy. It's electrical energy that gets converted into chemical energy. So we write it just like this, electrical energy into chemical energy. All right, and 9.2. Explain why an AC power source is not suitable for this cell. And the reason that is that DC, all right, a DC cell, okay, because it's not AC, so this at the moment this power source is DC, all right. This DC ensures polarity of electrodes that's E. Electrodes, there we go. Let me just fix that E maybe. There we go. Electrodes. It shows that the polarity of the electrodes that are used in this type of apparatus remains the same. Okay, because when an AC power source is used, the polarity of the electrodes will change, all right, continuously. Okay, so a DC direct current does ensure that polarity of the electrodes used in the cell are kept constant, or to ensure that they do remain the same. Further on down the question here, it says in 9.3, a reddish-brown layer is observed on electrode A after the cell has been functioning for a while. 9.3. Write down the half reaction that occurs at electrode A. Well, we definitely see the presence of a certain metal in the solution, copper chloride. And if a reddish-brown substance seems to be collecting, we know by intuition a reddish-brown color does echo the color of copper. So we definitely know it's the copper half reaction. So it looks like it is building up around the electrodes. That's reduction. So that is Cu2 plus 2 electrons. That gives us copper, solid copper, Cu. Then we got 9.4 coming up next. Okay, and this half reaction is present on our table of standard reduction, okay, which is present in all past papers that you use at the back and will be in your exam as well. The copper 2 chloride CuCl2 solution is now replaced with concentrated solution of sodium chloride, NaCl. It is now observed that a gas is formed at electrode A. All right, a gas is formed at electrode A. Okay, write down the name of the gas that forms or that is formed at electrode A. Okay, and that gas would, let's just have a look at this one more time, and the copper 2 solution is replaced with a concentrated of sodium chloride, NaCl2. Okay, and we have concentrated CuCl2 in solution there. We've replaced that now with NaCl. Okay, was there anything else in the question above? No. And now we need to have a look that because it's now replaced there in a solution, so that means it's mixed with water, the gas is formed at electrode A. Write down the name of the gas that's formed at electrode A. When this happens, when this occurs, that gas that would form would be the gas of hydrogen. Alright? And for 9.5, it's the final question. Refer to the relative strengths of oxidizing agents involved to explain why sodium does not form around this metal. Alright, so sodium being also an earth metal, so they want to know why. And that is because if we have a look here at water, H2O, okay, which has to be part of any aqueous solution. H2O, alright, is a stronger oxidizing agent. Okay, it is a stronger oxidizing agent, alright, than the sodium ion, Na+. Okay, which means, alright, that water, or H2O, is reduced to hydrogen gas, so it's reduced to H2. So question 9 is wrapped up for 10 marks. It's usually less than question 8, which is our question on the galvanic cell done in the previous video. This question is questions around the electrolytic cell, involving questions around electrolysis as well. So with question 9.5, we've wrapped up question 9, and that is the end of this video.